Japan for the fourth time? But this time, it is not about food, shopping, or sightseeing. This time, we are here because my daughter is representing UP Diliman in an international conference. And wait until you see the castles, temples, deer, and adventures coming up on this series. Good morning mga friendship! My name is JLo and this is another travel and food episode for JLo 5. Tara, kape tayo! If you are new here, my name is JLo and today marks the beginning of another adventure in one of my favorite countries in the world, Japan! And yes, this is actually my fourth time visiting Japan. Some people collect shoes, some collect bags. Apparently, I collect Japan trips. And honestly, every visit feels different. No matter how many times I come back, there's always something new to discover, something new to eat, and something new to get lost in, literally and figuratively. But this trip is extra special. We're not just tourists this time. We are here because my daughter and her thesis partner were chosen to represent the University of the Philippines Diliman at the 17th APacCHRIE Youth Conference. As a proud mom, of course, nandito tayo as assistant, support system, photographer, videographer, tagabitbit ng gamit at madalas tagahanap ng pagkain. So habang sila ay busy sa conference, samahan nyo rin kami as we explore Osaka, Kyoto, Nara, Kobe, and Himeji. And trust me, this series is packed. We are talking one of Japan's most beautiful castles, thousands of torii gates in Kyoto, friendly deer in Nara, Kobe waterfront views, Osaka iconic landmarks, at syempre, food, lots and lots of food. So if you're planning a Japan trip or gusto nyong mag-travel virtually habang nasa bahay, you're in the right place. Let's start this adventure. After arriving in Osaka and making our way through the train system, which surprisingly gets easier every time, we finally arrived at Shin-Osaka. We checked into our hotel first because let's be honest, no matter how excited you are, dragging luggage around while pretending to be a travel influencer is not cute.
I try for you, all the small things that I do. Hey baby, looking so well, just don't let all this feeling happen. If I gave my heart away, would you hold it every day? Just the way I love you for sure. Can't you see? Call me softly, say my baby. If it's alright with you, I wanna be yours.
Mami, ikaw din, picture ka. No? Post mo breakfast. Pwede pala.
Puro camera. We're going to Shin-Osaka station. We're very local today.
Mindayala is here.
And our taga-buhat.
Liligaw pa ba kayo?
Nope. No.
Alam niyo na.
I like JR pa.
So mag-JR na lang tayo kasi nasa JR tayo pumasok. Dito ko nakita to sa vlog eh. Pumasok siya dito eh. Oh, may fire drain. Fire. Tayo papuntang Ritsumeikan University. So yun yung tatahakin natin for today. Samahan natin itong dalawang bagets. So,
Ang init lang
this is Ritsumeikan University. Diba? One ride away lang from our hotel. Public university ba to?
Ay, ito, private.
Private. Ready na bang script nyo?
Hindi pa kami tapos. Kaya na yun.
Mas mahirap maghanap ng exit sa train.
Mahirap yung trend kaysa.
Magbibenta na po sila ng insurance. Sana makarami. Okay. Pasok. Sakto naman, 9:40. May mamahalin yung school nila. Parang alam mong mamahalin ang tuition fee. Starbucks. Ito na. Ready na sila magtinda. Yung isa real estate, yung isa insurance. Naway makakota kayo ngayong araw. Shopping and food, Shinsaibashi and Dotonbori. Let's go! Makakain din ng kanin. Hello, here we go. Tay, pili mo akong 3 shirt. Conference duties done for the day. Tourist mode activated. Our next stop, Shinsaibashi, one of Osaka's most popular shopping districts. And even if you're not planning to shop, good luck! Because every few meters, you'll find something interesting. A snack, a store, a souvenir, something cute, something useful, something you absolutely don't need but suddenly convince yourself you do. Japan has that effect. You walk in saying, I'm just browsing, then somehow, you're carrying 3 shopping bags and questioning your financial decisions. Wala pa tayo sa Uniqlo kaya tapusin na natin to. Okay, so we bought a lot of this buyer. And then, ano yan?
Face mask.
Kala ko, sharing lang kami sa isang basket. Kanya-kanya pala kaming cart. Okay, so nakapamili na tayo. Yung pinamili ko worth 9,000 yen. Tapos yung dalawa combined, nakapamili sila ng worth 8,000 yen. And it's tax-free. Part 1 pa lang yan. So, pagbalik natin ng donkey o kaya mahaba-haba pa ito. Sa maraming mga vintage bags, second-hand bags dito sa Shinsaibashi. Pero, hindi tayo makakapunta kasi madami tayong gagawin. Dahil pakita mo yung mga binili ko. Yeah. Ako, okay na ako sa t-shirt. Punta tayo sa Daimaru, doon tayo magla-lunch at doon natin ibili ng relo ni Daddy. Lunch, time check, 1:48. Sa'yo, hindi ako makain ng tama sa oras. And at saka, so far, naka-line 720 and 832 pa tayo. That's 110 pa. Daddy!
Alam mo na yung papabili ko.
Okay, take your time. And of course, no Osaka trip is complete without Dotonbori. This place is pure energy. Bright lights, massive billboards, street food, crowds, music. It's like Osaka's personality turned into a neighborhood. And there it is, the famous Glico Sign, a mandatory stop for almost every visitor. I think this is my 4th time seeing it, and somehow, I still take photos, because if there's one thing I've learned about traveling, it's okay to revisit places. Sometimes it's not about being something new. Sometimes it's about seeing how you've changed since the last time you were there. Is it 1,000, right? Okay.
Nakakailan take ka na
kaya? Yeah!
Werewolf po.
Wow!
Sila, pabonggahan ng tawag na bakasap. Sabi na unti naman may coke siya.
Ayan. Okay, this is 630 and this is 300.
Picture, chamkaman.
Ang laki!
Mainit pa. Teka, baka mainit kasi masakit sa dito.
Parang pepper lunch. Mainit.
Kaya din ako na sa'yo. Hindi kayo ako mainit.
Ang laki!
Ikaw naman. Good. Oh, it's so hot, ah. Palambigin mo siya sa bibig mo, no? Hindi ko nga binabite kasi alam ko ano eh. Nauso ko. Na-google ko na si Ichiran, 2 minutes away na lang. Yun, Ichiran.
This is it. Ah! Guys, we've made it. Wait, I need my phone.
Mauna ka na.
Take the small stuff.
Ito.
Please take the small.
Oh my God. The bro. And as the night gets deeper, the city becomes even more alive. People are laughing, friends are gathering, tourists are exploring, and for a moment, you just pause and enjoy being there. No rush, no schedule, just appreciating the experience. And that's it for episode 1 of our Japan travel series. From arriving in Osaka, to visiting Ritsumeikan University, to spending the evening in Shinsaibashi and Dotonbori, our adventure is only getting started. Because in our next episode, I will be leaving Osaka for a day trip that's been on many travelers' bucket lists. I'll be visiting the stunning Himeji Castle, exploring Kobe's beautiful waterfront, and eating my way through Kobe Chinatown. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. So if you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you in the next episode of our Japan travel series. My name is JLo, and this is another travel and food episode for JLo Fight. Tara, kape tayo!